Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record video in Google Meet in laptop. Now before we get started, the first thing that I'm going to tell you is let you know that recording a video in Google Meet is actually a premium feature, meaning this is paid. So if you're using, say for example, a very basic or personal use Google, just like what I have here, we likely won't be able to use it. So yeah, I'm going to show you anyway. If you have, say, for example, a premium feature, head over to the meeting tools down here and you have the record button here. So you can just go ahead and click that and then it's going to start recording this video for you. Now, alternatively, you can head over here in your desktop, click Shift Window S, and then something like this is going to pop up. I want you to click on the video icon right here, right, just like so, and then we are going to snap everything, or you can just go ahead and take or capture just the video part. Let's go ahead and set it up just like so, and then you can go ahead and click start here in order to record this one. Now there is a disadvantage for this one. If, say for example, there is like a lagging, someone's internet is not so strong, then likely we'll also be able to record those lag. Unlike the premium feature that's available here in Google Meet, wherein usually that is going to be skipped. All right, so no lagging is going to be detected. But yeah, then again, this is your best option if, say, for example, you don't have the premium feature. That is how you're going to record video here in Google Meet. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.